Hello everybody and welcome back to Civilization 5, the quest to get a science victory so I can play Civ beyond Earth. I'm just on a Civ spree today. I don't know why, I just love Civ. I was watching some videos of Civ and I want to play Civ, and so I am playing Civ, and so I'm going to continue playing Civ because it's a good game. Meanwhile, so I've decided, right, originally I was going to put a settler there to get those truffles, but I've realised that there's already a point. I'm going to buy Valletta off to get pearls to Valletta. Would you like the gift? Oh, you do? Okay, sweet. Pledge Protect. So he's going to give me military units. We'll upgrade you to Composite Bowman. Then I believe it is Crossbowman. And then eventually... Gatling Guns? I think it's Gatling Guns. Okay, Corinth, get a university up and running. You're doing a really good job, Corinth, actually, at this range. Despite the fact that you're quite a recent city, you've done really well. I think this atoll is one of the reasons why... There's some nukes here. Although it would kind of destroy my city there. Okay, let's not do that. Let's test nukes on this island. And this barbarian encampment here. Just to prove to the world that, you know, we have nukes. What we'll do is we'll get a nuclear missile in every city. Then we'll engage nuclear non-proliferation. Just so no one else can build them. World Congress. How are we doing? We're nearly there, right? We can't be far off. Surely we've got to discover them sooner or later. Right, we're getting pearls from Valletta though, which is good. And they're going to split. They also, another advantage with Valletta, or sorry, militaristic states in general, is that they unit spawn. They give you free military units every now and then, which is good if you want to make a big army, and even better if you play defensively like me. Oh, look at that! It's like they've all been upgraded now. Oh my god, this is a huge city. Have we out-population? No. We equal with them. Oh, see, I'm just wiping my keyboard, wiping my touchpad a bit. How have we not discovered all this stuff in the game yet? Nope. Sorry, mate, but you're kind of a bit of a distraction right now. I might get rid of you. To be fair, Marrakesh has got a point. Like, Cologne is very brave placement of a city. I mean, where is Germany's capital? Yeah, they're a bit keen there. I might just get a bunch of... They're really low, I think. Let's have a look at the demos again. Let's have a look at the good old demographics game. First for population, thank the Lord. I am first for literacy, which is nice. I'm 8 for soldiers, you know, understandable. Oh, yay! Right, crossbowmen. And then I believe it is straight into Gatling guns. As soon as we unlock them with industrialization. We need to get some more science. Which means we need more population, so I might just put all these guys on a food focus. Or a science focus would be good. But as soon as we get the, do we actually have the oxygen? No, we don't. We don't have ironworks either. Well, in 3 turns, we'll get the Rhythm Palace, then we'll get the ironworks, and then we'll get the Oxford University, and then this city is going to be amazing. Look at this, we've got developed lands. This is some good development here. Okay, you guys can fortify until here. Sripada, we get a bit more happiness. We've met the city-state of Kiev. You guys can fortify until healed. You, Sparta, can work on a Colosseum. Right, I'll trade you them. How many spices yet? And we'll also do some cocoa for some dyes. Look at that, trading master. Size 12 to size 13 in 3 turns. Okay, right, sweet. And Madame Monsieur is in. Finally! My biggest ally has only just entered the Renaissance. Maybe I shouldn't have made him my biggest, considering I'm in the Industrial era. 2 turns. Come on, 2 turns, and then we get the Forbidden Palace, and we can. What does that mean? Oh yeah, we get an additional delegate. We get additional 2 delegates, which means even if we don't discover the World Congress, we'll be able to elect ourselves as leader. Sophia, mamma mia. They're doing Wales, and I don't think we have Wales. Do we have Wales? No, we don't have Wales. So if we really need another 4 happiness, we can trade with. We can donate to Sophia, and they'll give us their Wales. Their Wales. I'd also like some uranium as soon as we discover it. Alright, we're nearly done with the Forbidden Palace, then we can go on a default focus. It's a priority so that we can get the best possible outcome out of our training. Leventa and Germany aren't allies anymore. Okay. Grants 2 additional delegates in the World Congress, minus 10% unhappiness from citizens in non-occupied cities. Oh, I'm going to have to leave you there. I'll see you next time.